Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation, we would like to explain about our business project um, initiated by Al-Azhar University of Indonesia and Watwani Foundation. That running by me, Nadya Dinda L as a CEO and my friends.
I'm Alifiya Auliana as a CMO.
I'm Riva Aprillia as CFO.
So basically, our application, the laundry application, is a marketplace where you can find laundry service easily.
One, problem identification. In this pandemic area, people should have less outdoor activity and less interaction with others. The government has applied work from home and study from home, and to overcome increasing cash. So we found that having online service or creating less directly interaction with customer will be need. In case people get busier in their business or study or helping their children, they don't have enough time to homework, especially washing dirty clothes. So by offering laundry service with our own innovation, we help them to keep their stuff clean.
So this is our customers opportunity, which total customers opportunity in Indonesia are employee, laundry owners, university students, housewife, with the number that already mentioned on your screen. Next.
So this slide we show about the interview result, the application of the interviewee, and the laundry service usage of the interviewee. Next. And the consideration in choosing laundry service of the interviewee, and the laundry service that based on the application, most of the interviewee don't have it, or they use convention traditional laundry service. Next.
To customer and solution. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Segmentation, demography, female or male, more than 18 years old, housewife, employee, university students, laundry owner, behavioral, have no much time or lazy for customers, and professional for laundry owner. Two, targeting people with stable internet connection, income more than 1 million rupiah with asli members. Three, positioning the first market space for laundry service in Indonesia where people can make a deal through their phone with pleasant surprise.
So this is our value proposition. First, niche market, getting tidy and clean clothes, having delivery service, time efficiency, more option, pleasant surprise. Customer job, 1. A problem, no time, laziness, rainy season. 2. Task, providing a deal between laundry and its customers. 3. Needs, getting tidy and clean clothes. For pain, disease, bad looking, messy or smelly, untrustworthy laundry. Game creators, no more piling up dirty stuff. Customers can choose the most suitable service. Customer can control their stuff from phone. Neatness and timelines of work as our standards. Rewards and discount from laundry owner. Review from customer, promoting laundry owner freely. Pain relievers. 1. Trusted laundry owner. 2. Customer can find out their laundry process. 3. Pick and delivery service. 4. Guarantee from us to be professional and responsible by collaborating with Asli. 5. Reduce extra bill of water, electricity, detergent, and energy. 6. No need to bargain. Products and services. 1. Laundry market best in apps. 2. Laundry owner will pick and deliver the stuff. 3. Feature option of perfume, time, price, payment, and distance. 4. Customers can watch the process that's being done. Next.
Okay, the solution. The question is how we overcome the problem. So we overcome the problem by developing innovation in laundry sector through technology and internet-based activity. The customer solving at the moment. The customer currently have offline transaction where they can only make an order by getting the laundry service for the laundry users, and the laundry owner can promote their business easily for the laundry owners. So the solution we give is we offer a service between laundry owners and its user to make a deal through application where they can easily do the transaction with guarantee and promotion. Next.
Three lean and business canvas. Problem. Laundry user. Customer don't have time for dirty clothes, don't wanna go out, unpredictable weather, untrusted laundry owner. Laundry owner. Don't have advertisement place, can find customer easily, cannot offer promotion or discount. Customer segment. Laundry owners, laundry service users, employee, university student, housewife. Unique value proposition. A marketplace that connect laundry owner and its customer to make a deal. Solution. Laundry user, guarantee service, internet-based activity, delivery service, process can be watched. Laundry owner, join the laundry transparency service. Channel, asli, social media influencer, TV advertisement, billboard. Revenue stream, profit sharing 20% of each transaction from laundry owner. Advertisement on application. Cost structure, application developer, advertisement and promotion, operational, electricity, inventory, employee. Key metric, over 20,500 laundry owners, over 20,000 laundry users, minimum transaction 20,000 rupiah.
For validation. So this is our competitor analysis. We found our competitor. They are Quick and Clean, DALaundry, Laundry Conventional, and our laundry, DALaundry application. And we have better service than our competitor. For delivery service, we got 5 points. For price, 3. Location, 4. Time, 4. Package, 4. Payment system, 4. And process control, 5. Next. And also, we have this competitor graphic that we showed on your screen. Next.
Okay, so this is our minimum viable product, or MVP, from the laundry user side. So they can see the home screen, the location, and the features from the application. Next. They also can see the laundry services nearby, after choosing the laundry, they can choose the perfume they like for the offer by the laundry owners. Next. And after the laundry have been done, they can see the detail order, and they can select the payment from the DALPay. We also have a special payment system, bank transfer or cash. They just pay it, and they also can watch the process that being done by the laundry owners. Next. And the MVP from the laundry owner side, they can see the home screen. They can show their product, order, sales, and money, and they can arrange their product. Next. They should tell its customer for the process that being done, so the customers, the user can know their laundry, where the process of the laundry, and after the transaction has been done, they get the money on their balance, and they can easily withdraw through transfer on their bank account. Next.
5. Finance. Our basic financial plan you can see on your screen. Sales and marketing. Marketing and selling. The Laundry is modern laundry brand based on application system that connect laundry users and laundry owners. Only with smartphone, then scroll it, your laundry will be clean and you don't have to bother thinking about dirty laundry anymore. The positioning of the laundry is that we are innovating the existing traditional laundry with zaman kekinian. We use the application system so that it's easier and reach many people. The difference from our laundry application is customers can choose the perfume and package according to their want, and they can pay by our payment system on the application, DALPay. We will promote the laundry through endorsement of influencers or celebrities, billboard, and social media.
So now, members' commitment. So as we run this business project, so we have to have a strong commitment to make this project success in the future. Me, Nadya Dinda, as the CEO, my responsibilities are leading the company as best as possible and complying with all policies that are already in the company, monitoring the work of all employees, and approving the annual company budget, and creating and reporting the report to shareholders. The skill that you have, the ability to learn from the past, strong communication skill, building relationship, realistic optimism, and leadership skill. For Alifiya Auliana as a CEO, her responsibilities are making planning strategies, estimating future sales and budget accurately to ensure sales force effectiveness, developing market segmentation, prospecting, pricing strategies, competitive analysis, and market analysis. The skills, flexible and adaptable management skill, mission and strategic planning, technical competency, and data analysis and interpretation. Next. And for Liza Riva as a CFO, her responsibilities are providing decision in the financial sector with various forecasts, as well as business analysis, managing finances, creating historical financial. The skills, problem-solving abilities, leadership skills, and strategic vision, cash management, financial accounting and corporate finance competence, strong work ethic, and reliable. So That's all our presentation and explanation about our business project. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
OMG, hello! Day by day, my dirty laundry is getting bigger and bigger. Meanwhile, I have no time to dip this. What I'm supposed to do? I have to do my online work. I got idea. I have DALaundry. DALaundry. I will open it. I open this application, DALaundry. Home. Select location. Okay, this is my location. And set. For surface, I will choose clothes. And then the nearest folder from here. Oh, many choices, but I will choose Mama Laundry. Okay, make order. Just the perfume. I will choose Jasmine perfume. Make order. Okay, done.
Oh look, I got new order from Miss Alif. Let's do it. Order from Miss Alif, Jalan Duku number 11, clothes with jasmine perfume in regular service. Okay.
Miss Alif,
Good afternoon. Who are you?
this is Arka from Mama Laundry. I can
Okay.
get you run this stuff.
Okay, wait. Okay, this is my laundry stuff. And I already settled my order on the application. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, this order complete.
Oh, look at this. My laundry order has been done, and soon it will be delivered to me. For payment, I will choose DALPay. This is my order. Complete. Done. Okay, finished. Wait.
Excuse me, Miss Alif.
Oh, hi.
This is the order that me have complete.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your trusting us, Mama Laundry Pro, the DALaundry application.
You're welcome.